If you've ever had a chance to visit your top repair shop customers, you've probably been impressed by the state-of-the-art equipment, the 2-story toolboxes, and the ASE certifications on the wall, all of which are signs that the shop is serious about the quality of its work. But while some shops spare no expense when it comes to investing in their own tools, equipment, and training, you've probably noticed that those same shops might call you up and ask for the cheapest part you can find. Shops might think they're doing their customers a favor by saving them a few bucks on replacement parts, but even the most thorough and meticulous repair can be compromised by a low-quality part, especially when we're talking about safety-critical suspension parts such as CV axles, loaded struts, and wheel hub assemblies. Let's use wheel hub bearing assemblies as an example. You'll find them on just about every vehicle on the road today. Not only do wheel hub assemblies enable the wheels to turn, but they also bear the weight of the vehicle at all times. These assemblies also might include a wheel speed sensor as part of the anti-lock braking, traction control, and/or stability control systems. So what happens when the shop doesn't use a high-quality wheel hub bearing assembly in a repair? Well, it could lead to problems such as instability in the steering and suspension, malfunctioning anti-lock brakes, a shorter service life, excessive noise and vibration, and possibly even wheels becoming disconnected. The same goes for strut assemblies. If the shop orders a replacement strut assembly with springs made of poor quality steel or springs that don't match the spring rate of the OE springs, it could have an adverse impact on ride height, which affects wheel alignment, tire wear, and handling. Weak springs can affect both camber and caster, which could result in a steering pull, a change in steering effort or return, or uneven tire wear. Poor quality, improperly coated steel springs are also at an increased risk of breakage and spring failure. We know the good, better, best model is alive and well in the world of auto parts. When it comes to suspension components such as wheel hub assemblies, CV axles, and loaded struts, steer your DIFM customers toward parts that are on the best side of the spectrum. That means replacement parts that incorporate premium grade materials and undergo rigorous quality control testing. Most importantly, it means parts that are made to OE specifications for precise fit, form, and function. I'm Josh Cable. Thanks for watching.